Hi, my friends! So today I wanted to talk to my sibling who lives over in Folsom right now to talk about bugs. They have a lot of cool things to say. Are you ready? Let's go call Eli. Everyone say hi, Eli!
Hi!
So Eli, what do you do with bugs?
I really like bugs and insects, and I spend a lot of time studying them. My favorites are bees, beetles, and I really like spiders too, even though spiders aren't insects.
Wait, so a spider isn't a bug? What exactly is a bug then?
Well, an insect has three parts to it: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head has parts called antennae attached to them. They're what the insect used to smell and sense things. The thorax has parts like the legs and the wings attached to it. And the abdomen has special parts called organs stored inside of it, like the heart and lungs.
What kinds of insects can you name in 15 seconds?
Oh, I see. So all of those bugs had 3 body parts and 3 legs on each side. But a spider has 8 legs.
That's right. Spiders can also spin webs, which insects can't do, and that's where they hunt and live.
But where does an insect live?
Come on, I'll show you. Most insects live outside, in the dirt, under rocks, in the grass, even in the water. Some insects live in specialized homes called hives or nests. Other insects come inside and live in homes or buildings. Scientists who study bugs, called entomologists, have discovered over 900,000 species of bugs. But they estimate that there's over 2 million in the world, so we've got a lot of discovering to do. You can even find insects in your backyard or on the playground. It can be really fun to watch them walk around, fly, or do other things. Some people even keep insects as pets. For example, in Japan, some people take care of stag beetles. And here in the United States, some people have ant farms or even take care of butterflies. You can take care of insects too, although sometimes you shouldn't take them out of the wild even if you like them a lot, because some insects are better as pets than others. You should always ask yourself and someone you trust, can I take care of an animal? It can be a big responsibility. Hi, what you doing? Hi there. I was looking at some insects. Oh.
Hello!
Hi there. This is my mom and this is my dad. They're the parents of Miss Amanda too, and of my sibling behind the camera, Angelica. We all make up a family.
Do bugs have family?
Well, not exactly the way we do. Some bugs have a family like we have them in science. So it tells you what insects are related to each other. For example, the family Lepidoptera tells you that butterflies, moths, and skippers are related to each other. But I don't think you guys are asking about that kind of family. Insects don't really have parents or siblings like we do, or think of them in the way humans do. For example, insects like beetles or butterflies live a solitary lifestyle, which means they spend it mostly on their own, except if they're looking for partners. Other kinds of insects like bees, wasps, ants, and termites live in a specialized place called a colony. And that refers to all the different insects that are of the same species that live with them.
Here's a pipevine swallowtail, Batis phelanor. These are solitary and sip nectar, a sweet liquid from the inside of flowers. You'll see that they have beautiful, shiny blue wings when they move. Some insects are colorful to help them stand out to a mate. Some insects are colorful to help them hide from things that might eat them. That's called camouflage. Other times, insects are colorful to warn predators that they have stingers or might not taste very good. Those are called warning colors, and you can see them on bees.
Wow, spring is really in the air. Here I am with some flower bushes and the western honeybee, Apis mellifera. Lots of these honeybees live together in the same hive. And they were born from the same queen honeybee. That makes them sisters. But they don't see each other as sisters like you and I might. If you have a sister, maybe you share things with each other, or you play together. Maybe you look up to her, or you protect her. But these honeybees don't do that. Instead, what they do is find food in the form of pollen and nectar, help other honeybees find food, and protect and build the hive. It's about lunchtime here, and I thought it'd be nice to make a picnic. I brought different kinds of food out here, like meat, fruits, and vegetables. Since we're outside, there are different insects, like one that visits picnics, the ant. Like us, insects need to eat to survive, and they eat lots of different things. I'll show you using the family Hymenoptera.
Ants can eat both plant-based things and meat. That makes them an omnivore. Some wasps are carnivores, which means they only eat meat. For wasps, that usually means another bug. That can help the environment if there are too many bugs in one area. And bees are herbivores, which means they eat things from plants. They eat pollen and nectar, which you find in flowers. Remember, nectar is the sweet liquid in flowers, which honeybees drink and then use to make honey. You might be wondering what pollen is. It's a part of a flower that helps it make other flowers. Let me show you with a daisy. If pollen from one daisy lands on the right part of another daisy, then that one can make seeds. And as you know, seeds grow into plants. But a plant can't get up and walk. They have to let the wind or water carry their pollen, or they can get an animal to do it. That's why pollinators are so important. They're animals that carry pollen from one plant to another, so we can keep growing plants. Some of these pollinators are bats and birds, but lots of pollinators are bugs. If we didn't have pollinators, we wouldn't have very many plants. Can you name some foods you eat that are plants? Fruits, vegetables, cereal, and even things like chocolate and vanilla come from plants. These foods couldn't exist without pollinators, so we need to help them just like they help us.
Oh, you're here in the garden. You want to look for more bugs?
Actually, I wanted to ask if we had some room to plant flowers.
We have a room. What kind of flowers?
Well, I know that pollinators like native flowers. Native means they live in the area without us putting them there, so we should plant native flowers. That way, pollinators can have food, and we can give back to them since they help us make food. If you want to know what kinds of plants you can put in your garden, you can check out the website on the screen.
Thanks for watching. See you later.